In this week's edition of A Ray of Hope, help for a child with a heart condition.
Meet Jada Nelson, a youthful and vibrant 4-year-old from Bull Savannah, St. Elizabeth, who, according to her mother, is just like any ordinary child her age. But Jada is not just any ordinary child, as she was born with a heart problem, a condition which left 3 of her valves blocked.
She turned blue at times, her lips, her finger turned blue, or she have a high fever. So whenever time that that effect take her, I have to run with her at the hospital, either Mandeville or in Kingston.
So far, Jada has done 1 of 3 surgeries to fix the problem at the Boston Children's Hospital in the United States, but for the other 2, her mom, Patricia Lewis, says it's a struggle to even start saving.
Because I cannot work, I have to monitor the baby. Nobody else in the yard don't understand. It's just me. And I was feel so uncomfortable at times, crying at times, all the time, crying. Sometimes she will hush me and say, "Mommy, don't cry."
Ms. Lewis says getting help was even harder because no one truly believed her daughter was sick.
It was me one all along on my journey, walking the street of glory, begging help, get insult sometime. People says nothing done to the baby. People say nothing to the baby is money I want to build a house. And at the same time my baby is suffering for some help until I meet Mr. Myers.
This is Arlington Myers, to be clear, a returning resident from the United States who lives in Brinkley, St. Elizabeth. It was after meeting Jada in an ice cream parlor, he wanted Jada to become part of his family. And so after making contact with the Boston Children's Hospital, who agreed to do Jada's second surgery for free, he decided he would cover the other end, Jada and her mom's airfare and accommodation.
That's the way I was being raised. I've been blessed in abundance, and I'm just giving back. These are just the basic necessities of life, and I don't see a problem. Money should not stand in the way of a poor, precious child getting sick or die as a result of medical care.
It was a bittersweet feeling for family members as Miss Lewis and Jada prepared to leave. Goodbye hugs and kisses, a reminder of the risk Jada is about to take again, but nonetheless they wished her the best. The 2 left the island on Tuesday, where Jada will undergo surgery on the 28th of February. But before leaving, Miss Lewis ensured she said this.
Thanks to Mr. Myers again, and I will not stop saying thanks to Mr. Myers because he made me feel so good.
With your Ray of Hope, I'm Janella Precious.